Horses out of Seneales, fast to begin, Galoriarlo Benissimo. It's now Benissimo, followed by Witness in Manila in second, racing in third, Seneales, Galoriarlo, then followed by Joel's Choice, Chip of Stop, sing a song, Si Senor, Benissimo, the leader by about 3/4 palenka. Right behind in second is Witness in Manila, Galoriarlo in third, Seneales is racing in fourth, then followed now by Chip of Stop, Joel's Choice, Si Senora, and Sing a Song, Benissimo. Galoriarlo now moves up on the outside, Witness in Manila, then here comes Chip of Stop, now trying to get closer in third. Galoriarlo, Benissimo, Chip of Stop is on the outside, racing in fourth, Witness in Manila. Seneales is racing in Pipa as they come down to the last 150. Benissimo, Chip of Stop, Galoriarlo, Seneales is on the outside. Chip of Stop, Seneales is on the outside. Marisol, Chip of Stop, Seneales is on the outside second. Chip of Stop, Seneales is on the outside. Chip of Stop, Seneales, and finally it's Chip of Stop, Seneales. Then comes number 3, Benissimo.
5, 1, 3, 4, 2.
All right.